How to mute a tab in Chrome. This will work the same whether you're on a Mac laptop as it would if you're on a Windows 10 computer. So as you can see right here, I am on Google Chrome for this. This will work similarly as well on other web browsers, whether you're using Safari, Mozilla Firefox, something like that. It will work similarly, but how you're going to do it on Google Chrome is, let's say for instance that this right-hand tab here is the tab that's going to be playing like audio that you don't want to be hearing. All you're going to have to do is go onto that tab at the top here, this little area where I'm hovering over, then go ahead and right-click on it. Then this little drop down here, it says mute site. Click on that, then you'll hear that the audio has stopped on there. You won't be able to hear that, it'll be muted. So then if you want to go back afterwards, you can go into that tab again, right click at the top like you did before, then in the same place click unmute site, then it's done. So leave a like, comment and subscribe if that helped you out.